Good evening, everyone. So let's discuss about the 18 biosphere reserves of India. So out of this 18, 12 are part of the UNESCO, and this is very important from exam point of view. So the concept of biosphere reserve was introduced by UNESCO in 1971 as part of the Man and the Biosphere program, and India joined this global initiative to create protected areas that combine conservation with sustainable use. And the first biosphere reserve in India was designated in the early 1980s, starting with the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve in 1986. Then, over the years, more biosphere reserves have been added and reflecting India's commitment to biodiversity conservation and sustainable development. Biosphere reserves are divided into three main zones. Number one is core zone. So, the core zone of a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve in India is the central area where nature is preserved without human interference. It allows plants, animals, and natural processes to thrive freely, providing a baseline for studying ecosystem. Then after that we have buffer zone. So the buffer zone acts as a transitional area between the core zone and the human activities within a biosphere reserve, and it allows control activities that support local communities while minimizing environmental impact. After that we have transition zone, and this is a zone where human activities and nature coexist sustainably. So support activities such as agriculture and settlements, and it aims to integrate conservation objectives with socio-economic activities of local communities. Now let's see the criteria for biosphere reserve. So to attain the esteemed status of a UNESCO biosphere reserve in India, an area must meet some criteria set by UNESCO, like it should have a ecological integrity, scientific research and education, and cultural values. So the area must exist diverse ecosystem, showcasing ecological richness and integrity. The site should function as a center for scientific research, conservation efforts, and educational activities. And the reserve must integrate cultural identity and heritage, incorporating traditional knowledge and practices. Now comes the distribution of biosphere reserves in the world. So the world network of biosphere reserve currently consists of 738 sites in 134 countries, including 22 transboundary sites.